Previously, I documented my efforts using Claude Code to create a Python script to analyze videos using FFmpeg and AI to see if I could create a series of prompts that could be fed into generative AI models such as Google's VO3 or WAN 2.0 via fal.ai, a model hosting provider, to see if I could do an exact copy of those videos. The results were not super good, but at the time of recording my video, Google had just came out with a new feature for VO3, specifically the ability to include a image with the prompt to guide the generation. And it promised to basically make this process a lot more consistent. So this had just came out, and fal.ai had very quickly updated their APIs to allow us to pass an image into VO3. So since that recording, I have modified the README and the specification and the implementation of my little analyzer program to use this, and I wanted to just show you the before and after results. As a reminder, I had picked a Greenies commercial, which had an animated style, and had produced stuff like this when I attempted to generate the script. Now, if you look at the original, it looked nothing like this. So I'm going to just insert now a before and after with the new prompt so you can see the results.
Dogs don't know what's good for them.
Dogs don't know what's good for them. Dogs don't know what's good for them.
As you can see, that looks a hell of a lot better than it did before. And the main kind of thing that it's doing is it's taking one of the frames from the original video and passing it in with the prompt, allowing the LLM to basically copy exactly the style that was used. Now, you'll note that the dog is actually narrating the audio as opposed to a person in the background. Specifically, I think that's because the way that my analyzer works is not very good at discerning, hey, this particular character is talking, there's a narrator in the background. That's something that you could probably improve a lot. Like, this is something I just vibe coded up in a day or two. Anyway, I don't want to say that I'm a super expert on these kind of tools. There's another channel, Insane Curiosity. There's a video on the latest AI video analysis tools. This is just to show what you can kind of do with minimal effort, and it's pretty impressive. I think one of the big key takeaways for me with this adding an image to VO3 is it allows you to have 8-second clips where characters look relatively consistent between the clips, and the art style says very, very dialed in. This seems like something that would be very useful if you were trying to put together short form video for advertising. I think if you were trying to do longer, videos than about like a series of 8-second clips put together, probably you're going to run into a lot of problems with consistency in background and transitioning between these different things. But either way, I think this is a big improvement from what came before. Anyway, just thought you'd be interested. The source code for this program will be included in the show notes below or the comments if you're reading this on X.